welcome back to another video. So I am back again with this really deep plum. I don't know, y'all, it's a lot of colors, okay, but I dyed my hair. I just did a look that really matched my hair. That was my goal, and I think it turned out super cute. So make sure you guys continue to watch to see how I achieved this look right here. Okay, you guys, so I am doing a look today that is not a cut crease. I am not tired of cut creases, but at the same time I am. This is the Too Faced concealer, multi-sculpting concealer in Mocha. So I'm trying to find something to talk to y'all about because I get in the habit of talking throughout my videos instead of just tossing in some music. But I don't know what to talk about, so maybe I should just like get topics from y'all or something. Well, y'all, let's talk about all these women going missing. That mess got me so, like, I'm so paranoid. I don't even like going out on my own no more. My sister told me she was gonna go to Walmart, and I was like, send me your location. Because that mess be having me so paranoid. And it's like every time I see a van now, I'm just like, oh no, I don't trust it. I don't trust no vans. I'm sorry if it's your company, your business van, but you need to get a new one. And like now, every time I see a van, I'm like, let me see if I can see through it. Like if I see some metal or something up to the windows, I'm calling the police. One day I went out to my car and there was a paper on my windshield, and I didn't even try to get it because I'm like, y'all not finna have me out here falling out and finna snatch me. I'm taking the MacBook palette. I'm taking this sky blue from the top. But yeah, y'all, it just, I don't know, it just really having me paranoid. It's this girl that's missing from like my area, and it's just, I don't know, it's just creepy. Like I never thought it would get to the point where I'm just like scared to even go out. Make sure y'all stay safe, pay attention to your surroundings. And this other girl was saying how she had like a zip tie around her mirror. If you see a zip tie on your car, just go ahead, get in and leave. Don't even stand there and try to fumble and get it off. Just go. Like anything that'll cause you to stand outside longer than usual, just don't do it. But it's just so disturbing to me because it's black men. Like majority of the people that y'all see that are doing the snatching, they're black. Y'all supposed to be protecting us, but nah, y'all helping the bad guy, or y'all being the bad guy right there. I don't think I was supposed to take it that far up. So y'all, I know I told y'all my next video is gonna be a story time, but I'm about to do it Sunday. Today is Thursday, and y'all, my schedule this semester, I hate to sound like I'm always complaining about school and my schedule and stuff, but I be out so late now. Like when I come home, I don't be trying to do nothing but take a shower and get in bed. The next color I'm grabbing is from the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm taking the shade Pinker. I don't know, I was gonna do like a try on haul, like a winter or fall haul, and then of course still do the story time, but I don't know, I just need to just extend my little recording area because this area right here is not big enough for me to show my full body without showing y'all where my backdrop's cut off. And honestly, if I were you, if you're starting a channel, I wouldn't even do backdrops. It's too much sometimes because I be having to go iron all my backdrops before I put them up. I just can't wait until I can like separate my room and my makeup room. And I'm gonna do a random giveaway like right now. So I'm gonna be giving away my fall collection that I collabed with Glow Glitters like a month ago. You get this glitter stacker and a pair of my lashes. So if you want to win this, what should I have y'all do? Comment Pinker down below because that is the color I'm using, and then add some purple emojis, and I just picked somebody random. And also, I hope I got an Instagram or something. Leave a way for me to contact you, so you can leave like your Instagram, your Twitter, your Snapchat, your email address. Just leave a way I can contact you, just in case you don't see the announcement or whatever. So yeah, that's my random giveaway. I'm gonna start doing pop-up giveaways. So that's Pinker, and then I'm gonna take the shade Credit. No, I use Edges. I use the same brush, by the way. Look how cute these colors are side by side. I need to do some videos with my twin. Our schedules are so different to the point it's like, when will we ever be able to record together? When I'm at home, she at work. When I'm at work, she's at home. Literally every time. I'm taking credit, and I am using that one to deepen that outer corner of my eyelid. Oh, I'm using the orange from the crayon case. Why is he doing that? Like, do y'all see? You know what? I got so many video ideas. Like, I just can't wait to get back to the old me and be back to recording often. I literally used to upload like 2 or 3 times a week. I have no idea why it's doing it. I really used to upload so often, and now I'm just like, wow. But that's because, like, when I started my channel, y'all, I wasn't even in school. I took that semester off, and that was when I hit my first like 1,000, and I literally had like, how many I had? Like 2,000 or 3,000 by the end of that year. And for some people that's not a lot, but to me, I was very appreciative of it, and I was proud of myself. So since we aren't doing a cut crease, I'm gonna go ahead and take credit and actually blend it on down. Blend it to about right there. And then I'm gonna take some concealer. I'm gonna just use some of the concealer that we primed with and wipe off most of it on here, because you don't really need a lot, and just tap it on your eyelid like so. And then for the glitter, I use this pigment from Omis Cosmetics. This is like my go-to, one of my go-to pigments, because it literally matches every look. But I'm just gonna pack that on top of the concealer. Only thing I hate about this stuff is that it literally gets everywhere. But I prefer this over like loose glitter, or like fine glitter rather, because you don't need a glue to stick this down. You can just put it on top of any eyeshadow or anything. So yeah, I just packed that all over the lid, and I'm gonna do my mascara. Just some regular smuggler drugstore mascara. And then my lashes are they are from Lashes by Zane in the style Hadia. So I will make sure I link the direct link down below. While I'm waiting for that lash glue to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and line my bottom waterline with this eyeliner. I always use the NYX retractable liner. For the lash line, I'm taking some of Credit. Taking some of Credit and Edges, and then I'm going to add some of the blue too, but I'm going to do these first. Oh my god. Excuse my dramaticness, like. Okay, I'm gonna highlight my face really quick with this highlighter from Fearless Faces in the shade Goddess. I'm taking this lip liner from NYX. It's one of their suede lip liners in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. I'm gonna add a little bit of this blush in the shade Deeply Plushed from Sister Cosmetics. I'm gonna just grab some from this side. I don't know what they look like mixed, but I don't even want to risk it right now. I know normal people do that before they do the highlighter, but I just thought about it, so. I just really been loving a really bronzy, like super bronzy face. Probably should dust this powder away from this side though, because I definitely did not. Yeah, I'm gonna set real quick with this Glow Glitter setting spray. We have a super shimmery and sparkly. You haven't made it to the end of this video. I got glitter everywhere, but thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed watching me create this look, then make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you guys of course subscribe to my channel for some more videos. And also don't forget to comment the keyword down below. If you know, you know. Also don't forget to leave a way for me to contact you, whether it's your email address, your Twitter, your Snapchat, your Instagram, whatever it is. Yeah, and it's gonna stay open for like what, like maybe 2 or 3 days. It's not gonna be like a really long giveaway, but good luck, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.